This is the Arthur Colorize die set from Sizzix and Tim Holtz. There are 16 dies total in this set, and that includes the dies to create the layered branches. I love how Sizzix writes right on the dies the suggested color names, as well as having little etch marks in the front showing you exactly where the next layer goes. It takes the guesswork out of putting your layers down. Sometimes I'll refer to the cover photo on the die, but it's always nice to have those registration marks right on the die cuts to take a little bit of the guesswork out of it. The colors listed on the backs of the dies are for creating the color that is on the front of the die set, but you certainly don't need to stick with that. You can do them in whatever color you want. I absolutely love the grumpy face that's created on this Arthur die set. The piece of cardstock there is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so you can see that he is a larger size, but he can go on a standard A2 card. He's not too big for that. So you really have many different ways that you can use them. You can use them on a standard card, you can make a larger card, or even in a scrapbook page or a mixed media project. This is a great die set, and I love how these colorized dies, because you're layering up different colors of cardstock, you get some natural texture and dimension with them, and it makes them great for projects.